ladies and gentlemen. I have a new daily commuter. I don't really commute. I work from home, so I don't commute, but I run errands, and I have a new transport that makes running errands far more fun. So today I invite you to join me in running errands. Let's get rid of these bottles. I'm very much into recycling. There we go. Another errand here. Hang on. That's done. I must say, I have been using it almost every day. It's been fabulous, absolutely fabulous. I live in the countryside now, pretty much, and to pop down to the village or to town, to a post office, this has been incredible. Going in the car always seems like such an overkill because it's just a mile down the road. And I can't complain about the parking situation here in my town, but still going in the car and finding a parking space seems like such a faff. Now that I have this scooter, so I've just been using scooter for everything. There's a speed limit everywhere here of 30 miles an hour. So this, having a top speed of 30, does the job. Can't go any quicker. Shouldn't go any quicker. Whee! It's been fun, honestly. It's been so much fun having this, and so practical. Oh my gosh, so practical. I also really hope you appreciate I bought a matching bag to go with the bike, so I can go shopping with a matching bag like a lady. This is just who I am as a person. I still haven't quite figured out what kit to wear on this. First time in my life that I'm riding a two-wheel vehicle without full kit. But then 30 miles an hour, you go this fast on a bicycle, and no one wears anything other than Lycra, it would seem, on bicycles. I always wear a proper helmet, definitely. I can't really bring myself to riding without gloves, so I'm using motocross gloves, still better than nothing. Yeah, my race gloves would be a bit of an overkill, but these, I just feel a little bit safer in them, but they're still just very thin and comfortable. And I'm actually just wearing jeans and a hoodie and trainers. If I fall off this at what 25 miles an hour that I usually do, I actually would be fine, I think. The tarmac doesn't seem to be getting away from me too quick, so I'm good. Oh, I have been overtaken by a car whilst on two wheels. Also, they're all speeding because there's a 30 mile an hour limit here. Naughty, naughty. Let's talk about the controversial stuff. This is an electric scooter, and I have been riding it for 6 weeks now, I think, and I have been talking about it with people quite a lot, and people seem to always ask about same things. Can it wheelie though? Now tell me this, does anyone wheelie a scooter? Also, wheeling is actually highly illegal, isn't it? It's you can get in a lot of trouble for wheeling. I'm a lady, and I tend to act like a lady, so it's highly unlikely that you'll ever see me wheeling a bike on a road, on a public road. I don't know how to wheelie, and I don't feel it's a skill I should acquire anytime soon. There's no need for wheeling. On the road, it's just very illegal. You get in more trouble for wheeling than you do for speeding. And then on the track, it's certainly not the quickest way to travel, so I don't wheelie. So yes, it can wheelie, probably. Maybe if you can wheelie, maybe you'd be able to wheelie it. I don't know. There's no clutch here, so no, you probably couldn't. Because with this kind of power, you'd have to do the clutch in wheelies, but there's no clutch here. So no, it can't wheelie, I'm afraid. We are going to stop at the post office now, and it's unusually busy. But it's okay because we have a scooter and we can stop anywhere. Right. That's nice and easy. Another concern people seem to have about this scooter being electric is the lack of sound. How much sound do you get from your typical scooter? It's actually nothing but annoying hairdryer kind of noise. It's not that it makes you any safer in traffic. No one can hear that noise. It's just really annoying. So this actually is very refreshing. Just liberating. There's just no sound, no noise. Another question I get a lot is, oh, what about the range? Well, how far would you want to travel on a scooter? The range on this, I think, is about 40 miles. I never do that many miles in a day. Um, I don't think I do that many in a week. Let's sneak past here. I do not understand why anyone would buy a petrol scooter if you can have this electric. So convenient. You literally just take the battery out from the seat, take it inside the house, plug it into a normal socket with this adapter thing. Nice and easy. Charges overnight. No need to go to petrol station. No running costs other than just an energy bill, which I didn't notice it affect my energy bill at all. Whee! Do we have a let's just park it here. Ba-da-ba-ba-da. Built-in alarm, super handy. I'm here to pick up a prescription, unless it went straight to the pharmacy. Okay, so I can just collect from there. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye. Look how pretty this is. By far the prettiest scooter I've ever seen. They're never particularly attractive, are they? And this one is actually way. Forgot about the alarm. All good. I think it's gorgeous. Comes in quite a few different colors. Whee! I can squeeze through everything. Love this thing. Big glory. You know what I really, really like about the electric? Instant torque. Right. Hello, I'm here to collect a prescription for Joanna Benz. Benz. Thank you. Thank you. I don't need a receipt as long as it's went through. Yeah, okay. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Don't forget to unlock it first. There we go. Unlock, is that's not how you say it, is it? You unlock the car. This arm, the alarm, is that? I don't know. Okay, so the fact that I can actually reverse on this is so good, because I can't reverse on motorcycles, but on this I can without any problems. It's so light as well. I think it's 69 kilograms or 70, something like that. Makes it so easy to maneuver, to put in the garage. I can just literally lift the rear and move it closer to the wall. There's a picture on the internet of this man holding it. I don't have arms as wide, and I'm not as tall as him, so it's actually would be difficult for me to pick it up, but I probably could. And we go. Mode 2. There we go. Full speed. I've never had a scooter. So much fun. And I never got to have this kind of fun. So now I do, I'm catching up. It's so convenient for my lifestyle and it's so giggly. It's just, there's just no stress with this at all. I can't imagine anything better for me to run my errands on. Absolutely nothing better. I never get my HP4 out for things like this. Absolutely not. The HP4 is incredible, but it's such a mission to get her out. By the time I get her out of the garage, warm up the engine, put leathers on, I don't want to just go down the road to the post office. No, I want to go for a proper ride. And I also really don't like leaving her out of sight. So doing things like I'm doing today, where I just park it outside, pop inside, sort something out, then come outside, take the bike, carry on. On the HP4, I wouldn't quite like that. No, I never leave her out of sight. With this, it's actually got a built-in alarm. I absolutely love this. It is a press bike, I suppose. I have it on the loan for 2 months. I got it from Sinus Motorcycles. They're in Brighton. If they will allow me to buy it off them, I think I will. If they allow me to keep it for a little bit longer, I will definitely want to be keeping it longer. Definitely through the summer. I'm just finding it really useful. So practical for my lifestyle. So efficient. I love this. They also have a cute catchphrase, like this hashtag thing, the promotional stuff. New way forward, because it's new as an NIU. This is the M Series scooter, so like the BMW M Series. This is my favorite. They have quite a few different scooters, but this is the smallest, and to me it was about the smallest one. Absolutely light, quick, no drama, fantastic. Here it is, my new daily. Absolutely love this thing. There we go. Let's charge it up. All done. Love it. Jestem. Mama, ile frajdy na tym skuterze jest.